Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Bronx Lock Picker 60, and this is my second attempt picking the Schlego-Saurus NeoSapien 24, 8/14/17. What happened the first time is I had it picked. When I went to gut it, the driver pins fell into the construction holes and had to take it apart from the top. So what I did was seal up the construction holes, and now she works fine. Hopefully the gutting would go well. So Neo, my man, I hope you don't mind that, but that's something I felt I had to do to gut it because it got locked up on me and I couldn't get it apart. So without further ado, let's see if I can get into it this time. It's a tricky lock with a tricky warding. Oh, I'm sorry, that's the bitting, and it is the Schleg. Sorry. Shenanigan. Managed to save my position there. And there we go. Open up on 4. Okay, I'm back up. Here. Give me a second. Let me get out of this sweatshirt. Okay, let's show what Neo has put in this lock. Hopefully it won't lock up on me. Alright, you know what, let's lock it. Okay. Hope everyone's doing well. And we get a long one. Hopefully cutting would go better this time. So far, so good. You see what I mean? I had to cover those up, and I sanded it. But anyhow, he's got some amazing pins in here. And earlier I noticed that he has undercutting 3 and 4, and I believe 5 as well. So Let's see what we got. Take a better look at these, at the core once we get the pins out. Number 1 is a spool. Number 2. Let me pull these out and I'll show you. Come on, baby. 3, 4, 5. And nice and look like I'm wrong. Look like 3 and 4 and 5 are threaded partially part of the way down. Okay. Let me get everything out here and I'll show you all the pins. Copper spring. And the copper spring. Okay. Okay, number 1, we have a spool, and then a driver, we have a spool with it's almost like a mushroom or hourglass with a little tip on the top there. This is my favorite. Number 2 driver or key pin. If I can get it to focus. It's a T-pin, but it's stepped down, almost like a wedding cake. And it's really cool, really nice looking. That's my favorite pin. Very nice, Neo. Number 3. Sorry. It's a triple spool. Four. Also a triple spool. And 5 is a spool with a tiny serration on the top. Yep. I showed you driver 1. Driver 2 is a spool. It's almost like a mushroom. It has a little tiny serration. Three, it's a beautiful, as I refer to, hourglass. And it also has a little nib on the top. Can't really see it too well. And 4 is a multi-serration. We'll make sure it's not a pin and pin. And 5 is a spool in the center with 1, 2, and 3 serrations. And as far as springs, they're all copper. And there is nothing done to the Bible. So that's the lock that we have today from my good friend and brother NeoSapien. Thanks everyone for joining me. If you like my videos, please subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, hit the like button, share, hit the bell icon if you would like to be notified of my next video. And as always, stay calm and pick on. Thanks a lot, everyone. Bye-bye.